Oh, good morning YouTubers, and welcome back to the David Swordplay channel. This morning we're again in the lovely village of Sladeburn, and it's a beautiful still day, and we're going to ride our bikes up on the moors and hopefully get some drone footage. So I'll just turn you around and give you a view of the area. So it's an absolutely gorgeous day, about 13 degrees. That's what we're going to do. We'll get back to you when we've got the drones up in the air, and we'll see just a bit of fun today. Can't wait, beautiful day. So there you go.
That bloke's just been telling me that motor guts here are having trouble with their engines and whatnot.
Are they really? Did you tell them I've done 28,500 miles on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You haven't stopped yet. Give me an headache.
And welcome to the world of frostbites.
Well, it's a nice, quiet, peaceful day.
Yeah. And all you could hear is everything's bad, except his bike. Yeah. Anyway, let us get up the tops and get those drones up. So YouTubers, we are back at Sladeburn. It's a beautiful afternoon. We're just having another brew before we set off home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll catch you on the next one.